पता नहीं, लगता है दिवाली में पूरा फुलझड़िया मिलने वाली है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लूडो, लक्ष्मी बॉम्ब, नाउ सूरज पे मंगल भारी. इट्स लाइक ह्यूज गिफ्ट. काश थिएटर खुला होता ना, अच्छा खासा रेवेन्यू कमा लेता.
Hello everybody, hi you guys, I'm Nafisa, welcome to the Jimmy 624.
अगर आपको मन है करने की शादी तो शुरू करो ढूंढने की तैयारी. लेकिन अगर दुल्हन मिल भी जाए तो हो सकती है प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि पीछे पड़े हैं मनोज वाजपेयी बन के डिटेक्टिव, जो कि निकालेंगे आपके सारे फॉल्ट. Hi guys, this is man Jimmy 624 and for today's trailer it's a very good combination of actor, very good combination of story, because the story is really good. We have seen so many love stories, comedy and so many drama and fighting action, but this is something different. Okay, this is out of the box.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry I have seen the trailer, but it's very good. So before going for this trailer reaction, we would like to give you some of the description about it. It is a satire comedy drama film, and as I forgot to give you the name is Suraj Pe Mangal Bhari. You know what's the meaning of that? On the sun, the Mars is heavier.
Mangal means Mars.
Yes. Mission Mangal.
Yes, I remember Mission Mangal.
You know, this is a kind of phrase our priests used to use to tell you the future danger, the future something calamities.
Tell me again.
Suraj pe Mangal Bhari.
Suraj pe Mangal
Bhari, yeah.
Means for sun, Mars is heavy.
On the sun, the Mars is heavy. It's a kind of phrase those priests use to like say in future something is bad coming to your life.
Okay.
It's a kind of phrase, okay? Like something is bad coming. Like in GOT, winter is coming. So, did you understood the title?
Yes.
Okay, so let me get on the more detailing. And this movie is produced by Shaikh Patel and Subhash Chandra under the banners of Z Studio and Excel Vision Production. And this movie is cast by Manoj Vajpayee sir. It's very, I have to say sir, you know, because he's very veteran actor, if you can say. He's very senior of them. And
Diljit Dosanjh.
She loves Diljit Dosanjh. And Fatima Sheikh, Anu Kapoor, Supriya, Vijay, Seema, Pallavan. Remaining I'll give it below because it's too long. And the plot of the movie, it says that it's set in 1990s. At that time, there was no love marriage. Means everything get arranged.
Should be arranged.
Yeah, the father and mother go to each other's house, and the boy first time meet the girl in front of them. They ask questions, something like this. So it's the era of arranged marriage, not love marriage. Okay, some people do it, but it was like taboo. Oh, love marriage, you love a girl. Oh, so now it's a common for everyone. So let's get on with the storyline. Madhu Mangal Rane, means Manoj Vajpayee, is playing a wedding detective. He plays as a wedding detective who does a background check of groom. Before getting married, you give someone money and ask like, go and check what this boy do. Does he drink? Does he smoke? Does he have any other relation? So in 90s, it was a norm, as there were no mobile phone or social media, and people had to deal with everything physically. This gives rise to a comic situation. So I think this is very
I'll never forget those kind of horrible days, you know, no technology, nothing, no mobile, no social media. Yes, no
We
YouTube.
were in 1990. How old were you?
We were a small child.
Yeah, like around. I born in 1987, so it will be like hardly 13 years.
Not you born. We born.
We born.
We were born.
We
were
born.
born in 1987.
So we were almost like 13 years old.
Yes, 13 years old.
Oh, sorry. It will be 3 years old. sorry, 3 years old.
And you know why I'm saying? Because 3 years old child in that time just used to play with some sticks, stones and whatever. Yes, doing this kind of actions. But now 3 years old child is inside the tablets and inside mobile. Give me mobile. I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna play that. Oh my god. It's a different generation. Yeah.
Enough talking we have done. So let's go for the trailer reaction. Let's go for the trailer reaction right now.
Hi peoples. मैं हूँ सूरज सिंह ढिल्लों और ये है बॉम्बे.
1995 बॉम्बे.
मुझे तलाश है एक ऐसी पतिव्रता लड़की की जो पति को किचन में घुसने ना दे और पति को बेडरूम में से निकलने ना दे. अंग्रेजी में बात करनी है उस लड़की से.
We'll talk in English.
I talk घंटा in English.
I talk घंटा in English.
You come to my dairy and I will milk you something nice. What? आप अपने पापा का बिजनेस संभालते हो दूध का. जी अंकल, पापा का दूध मैं ही देखता हूँ.
देख भाई इस बार तू अपना जादू चला ही दे उस पर.
Thank you, will be my wife.
आपने तो कहा था कि आपका पुत्र बड़ा शरीफ है. ये क्या है?
What happened? Was drinking alcohol. It was very bad.
शराब पीना कब से शुरू कर दिया तूने?
28 साल की उम्र में मैंने पहली बार बियर पी है और उसी वक्त मेरी किसी ने फोटो खींच ली. कौन है वो बंदा जिसने ये झंड मचाई है?
This is the detective.
मधु मंगल राणे. वो सिर्फ नाम का मंगल नहीं, असल में मंगल है.
मेरे को सब पता है किसका क्या 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 है.
क्या करता है लड़कों का.
Oh my God.
लड़के अगर कोई गलत काम करते हैं तो उसका सबूत जाके लड़की वालों को दे देता है.
James Bond with the camera.
शादियां तोड़ता है कमीना.
इसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए सुखी. इसको सजा मिलनी चाहिए सुखी. वो मंगल है तो मैं भी सूरज हूँ पंडित जी. कुत्ते को समझने के लिए कुत्ता बनना पड़ता है सुखी. इसे कहते हैं संस्कारी लड़की. घरेलू भारतीय नारी का असली रूप. बहन किसकी है? पटरे का गम वो बनाता है सुखी जिसे पनीर बनाना नहीं आता. इस मंगलवार का मैंने फ्राइडे मिला तो मैंने भी अपने तबेले का दूध नहीं पिया. मतलब 1 किलो दूध में से 10 किलो पनीर का निकलना. डिटेक्टिव है मैं, दुद्धू वाला नहीं. क्या फाड़ लिया तूने डिटेक्टिव बन के? है तेरी बहन क्या करती है ये तो तुझे पता नहीं है. वो इतना तो पड़ोस वाली आंटियों को पता होता है कि किसकी लड़की क्या कर रही है.
मंगल राणे जो पूरी दुनिया भर की जासूसी करता फिरता है वो अपने ही घर में खुद की बहन का झूठ नहीं पकड़ पाया.
तुम्हारे अंदर का जो डिटेक्टिव है ना वो फेल हुआ है.
अरे फेल नहीं हुआ है.
फेल तो तू हुआ है रे मधु. लोग तुझ पर हंसेंगे तो करेंगे रे बेटा.
So many good characters are there, you know.
ये सब इतने अचानक हो रहा है ना तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मेरे.
आई रिश्ते ऐसे ही बनते हैं, अचानक फटकार.
वो तो तुझे ज्यादा पता है. तूने तोड़े जो है इतने सारे.
Oh my God! It was like पता नहीं लगता दिवाली में पूरा फुलझड़िया मिलने वाली है. First of all, Ludo, Lakshmi Bomb, now Suraj पे मंगलबारी. It's like a huge gift at the time of COVID.
But I like this as much as others. Means I really want to watch all of them sequentially.
Every day they put in trailers. Every day something new and it's like exciting as before Diwali. No need to buy gold in this one Dhanteras. The gold is coming to your home with this many movies. It's coming 19 of this November. It's
19
like
or 13?
19. Means so many movies are coming. Means it's mind blowing. काश थिएटर खुला होता ना अच्छा खासा रेवेन्यू कमा लेता really. And the storyline is superb.
Actually, the story is about a guy who is about to get married, and it's an arranged marriage in the decade of 90.
In the year 90s.
Near 90s. No, near 90s almost. And that time the love marriage was something so abnormal or something. Yeah, it's a taboo, and like people should be shameful to go for searching love for themselves without asking family or arranging anything with their family. So actually, I think he also didn't want to do that. He didn't want to actually get involved in this kind of marriage. But because he made his mind to take a revenge from the detective guy, so he just fell
in love with the.
Yeah, he fell off in the in the
love with the detective
love
sister.
Story. Yeah, love story with this with his sister.
One thing is good, if you have a good cinematography, if you have a good story, if you have good acting, good performance in a movie, you can give your movie story openly in a trailer and make people excited to go and watch it. It's like tickle your pickle.
Yeah, it is exactly like a revenge story, but in the comedy form.
Yeah.
So he just tried to revenge something, take a revenge from this detective guy, and he just used his sister as a trap, and he got into the trap of sister's life, love, sister's love. So that is a very cute. I love it. You know, it's full of energy, full of dance, full of color,
and turn of events.
Yeah, full of beautiful things, full of beautiful girls. This is so nice to see all these things. I really enjoyed watching the trailer from beginning, and Diljit Dosanjh is my favorite.
Do you know any song of Diljit Dosanjh?
Many songs, but I cannot sing now. You know, my voice is not good for singing.
Give me one name of the song.
Actually, my interest has been started
in
Punjabi music with Diljit Dosanjh. The first song I think I remember, it was Thug Life.
Oh, so Thug Love Jet Lug with
Yes.
I don't know the lyrics, but it was a very good song. Thug Life Deri Jet.
Yeah, it has a very good rhythm also. I love him in this role in the music video, and like my perception about Indian songs and Punjabis, especially Punjabi songs, totally changed. I love Punjabi songs. I love Punjabi movies also, and he's one of my favorite characters and actors and superstars. So he's perfect in everything: singing, dancing. He's very handsome, and I think everyone in India somehow loves him.
You think you'll say I'm handsome or something? Okay, no problem, leave it. So this was our reaction in trailer of Suraj Pe Mangal Bhai. How will you translate in English? The Mars is heavier on the sun.
Mars is heavier on the sun. But it's nonsense.
So thank you so much for watching our video. If you really like our video, do like it.
Please don't forget to subscribe us if you like our
channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And please, we need more subscribers. So thank you so much. Till then, bye bye.